Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Guess what we're working with today? Yeah, the Happy Fall Y'all kit. I just thought that was so cute. Happy Fall Y'all. So I had to do it. I know, kind of corny, but I had to do it. And I love this kind of Nordic, kind of vintage feel to the elements, and I think it's going to be a really fun kit. So today I'm going to do just some smooshing. Yet again, you're probably tired of hearing about my sore hand, but it's happening. And I'm actually cheating a little bit, and I'm doing this video almost a week ahead because my hubs is going to the UK for business, and Sis is on her way. She's coming to visit me and stay with me for a week. So while I chat, just using some Art Basics clear gesso on my page because of the spray. I don't want it to leak to the other side. So I'm just going to do that. And yeah, my hubby, he manages big projects for technology, and he has a project right now in Canada, one in the UK, and one in South America. So he works from home and manages all these projects, but he has to travel, so he is off to the UK for a week. I told him that he should go and visit the Queen or do something fun, and he said, no, I'm going to be stuck just in meetings all the time. And I said, no, you got to take some extra time and do something, see something. So I'm trying to convince him to do that. So Sis and I have a week of Bible journaling and girl movies, and you know, I live out in the middle of nowhere. I told her we could even go to town. I said we could go to town and have dinner, so we might even do that. So I'm so excited she's coming out because we always have such a good time when she's here. And yeah, so I'm just excited she's coming. So if you're new to clear gesso, the best way to do it is not all in one, but kind of, you know, change it up and go in different directions. And then when you dry it, just tug the page a little bit and it helps dry it. So I'm going to dry this, put on another coat, and then I'll be back to work on the sticker part. Okay, I must show you what I did because I'm kind of giggling right now. So I didn't clean my craft mat very well, and if you look here, you can see this kind of pink marbly stuff. It picked it off my craft mat. So I have this lovely pink marbly stuff going on here, so I guess it's kind of like having a background kind of pre-done, so I'll have to find a page to do on there. So okay, back to this page. Are you ready to get messy? So also, I was going to mention, if there is something that you want to learn and you go, how do you work with this, or how do you work with this kind of gesso or pastes or sprays or inks or whatever it is, leave me a comment and I will try to do a video for you. So I have two Dilutions, Lemon Zest and Pure Sunshine, and I'm just going to spray some of these onto this clear paper. It's like it came, I think it was from a stamp, so I just pulled the backing off, so it's just plastic. You can do it with pretty much anything. Oh, this one doesn't want to cooperate right at the moment. Come on. Sometimes these things get... Okay, well, that's not going to work, so I'm going to do it this way. I'm just going to dab some on. I don't want to pour it, because if I pour, gosh knows what'll happen here. So I'm just gonna put some orange on this way, and let's see what happens. Can always find a way to do it, right? Now look at my fingers. Oy, oy, oy. I tell you, now a couple little spritz with water, because we do want this to move, and the gesso is going to allow it to move on our page. Just gonna grab some paper towel and clean myself off, because yeah, usually I just get this everywhere. So let's just flip it over smush it down, and see what we get. Ooh, that's going to be pretty. I love this because you never know what your page is going to look like. Okay, let's just pull that off. I'm going to dab it. And maybe do some just dibs and dabs on that side. And just make it marbled. So I'm going to clean off my sheet. You don't have to. You can just stick it on another page if you want. I could have stuck some on this page over here. So we'll just get rid of that. And we are going to dry our sheet. And we are going to be done. A quick and easy technique. I should have made Sis come and do a video, right? Wouldn't that be fun? And I love fall, so I just want more and more fall goodies. I love fall. And right now, well, Ryan was here and he had those couple days off. He helped me do all my kitchen cupboards. We got those done. And then we did a bunch of fencing. So now we have about 3.5 acres fenced for the pups to run. And we have different gates, so we can close them off in different sections if we want, or keep them close to the house, or let them go almost down to the river. So those pups, I tell you, they have so much fun out here. They just run and play all day. So this is pretty dry. We have some on the other side, so I think we'll do a pink and yellow technique over there. So now I'm just gonna do some happy fall, y'all. So let's take these stickers off. Let's see what else is new in my world. Went to town today. The closest town is about 15 minutes away, 15-20 minutes. And I went to the dollar store and I got some groceries. So when Sis is here, you know, I had to bribe her to come. So I was like bribing her with all kinds of stuff. I'm like, I'm buying chocolate covered peanuts and I'm getting all kinds of stuff just so that she will come. And I kept texting her pictures while I was shopping to try and convince her to come. So finally she relented and said, okay, I'm coming. All right. I love this big bear. What I chose for my verse is Psalms 107:1. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His faithful love endures forever. So I want to highlight that. So I'm just going to grab this Illustrated Faith washi and maybe this color. Let's see. Let's see how we're doing here with this color. It's so hard with this little finger. It just doesn't want to be a good little finger, I tell ya. I'll just use that. It's bending a little bit more, but it's sure sore. And the other day we had to take the puppies to the vet and Big Boy couldn't get in the SUV, so Hubs was on a conference call, so I grab him and I hoist him into the SUV, not realizing that it's gonna hurt my hand. But you know what? That's okay. We got past it. So, oh, I could have cut the inside of this out and used it here. That would have been a smart idea. So I love this big bear. I love all the pattern on him, so I'm going to take him, but I want to do some stuff behind him. What's a good one behind him? Maybe this one. I can't really remember what I did in my example, but I thought this little bear was so adorable. Where's his little friend? He's got a little friend too, so we can put his little friend here too, or maybe we'll just leave him for now. I'm just gonna play with some of these little doodads. I'm just gonna put them behind him. Stickers are so much fun because they're just fun, right? Like, I love stickers. And I should have done some of these in clear maybe so that they would stick a little better. Oh, this little birdie, I think he's adorable. So we'll put him on maybe the edge of the things. And yeah, just play, have fun. I love to just just see how a page comes together. And I love when I gesso, because if you gesso, it's easy to move things around. And as you can see, Hank really wanted to cut through these elements. I don't know what he was thinking. So I'm going to put that there, and another one here. And it's just kind of, I call it Nordic. I don't know really what it is, but I think it's kind of a Nordic color. So maybe some leaves falling down to our little bear friend. I love to fill the page up with stuff, so now we have some extras to use somewhere else. So I could put this over here. And yeah, I giggle because I think I'm just so funny sometimes. And I said to Nikki, I have the kit ready. I've put all the stuff in G Drive for you to make all our posters and stuff. And she laughed. She's like, happy fall, y'all. Really, Mom? I said, no. People are going to love it. Trust me. So just something fun for us to do for a change. And I love these little bears. And I think I'll just write the verse on it. So I'm going to use, I think, this color on this side. And look, we've almost used up all the elements. So we'll put him here. And I'm going to put this guy on this side. And then maybe I can do one of the grateful pages on this side, and I'll already have a tag done. It has to be in pink and yellow. So there we have it. Wow. Another little fast video, but you know, a fun technique and a way to put some color onto our pages. And you can also just dab like I did here and have more of a marble effect. So have fun, create, try things. Just be who you are and enjoy your time in His Word. That is what's most important. So have an awesome day, everyone. I will see you all in Praise and Pray. God bless. Bye-bye.